Hello all, welcome back for another attempted video. Anyone that knows me knows I'm a Valentino Rossi freak. The bloke's just absolute god to me. And in 2022 he started his GT3 career with Audi, and the car on the left is a Scaleauto white kit. I couldn't wait for anyone to release a car. I had to buy the Scaleauto and have a crack at making the livery myself. Then Slotit announced they were doing it, which didn't surprise me. Surprised me that they hadn't done it earlier, being Italian and what have you. And today my Slotit come, and it is a beautiful car. It's my first Slotit car I've ever. Well, I don't buy new cars really. The Scaleauto is the first brand new car I've brought. Obviously, it was a white kit, so it needed to be finished. But when I say brand new, it's a proper car. And the Slotit, well, you couldn't ask for a better first proper car, could you? Really? Let me zoom up on that a bit. So that's my Scaleauto, and that's the new Slotit. What should I do? Yeah. This is my one. So I made this, well, yeah, 3 years ago. The spoiler's already been broken and glued on. This spoiler on this Scaleauto one didn't come with the spoiler that way. So that's photo etch I bought from a 124 model thing. This front bit here I had to scratch build because it wasn't in the Scaleauto kit. Same with, where's my little pointer gone? Same with this mesh here, that wasn't there. Made myself up the digital thing. I'm going to attempt to make that and put some lights in it, and then another car. The decals on this, all these decals, they come from CNC Design. I think he's got a new printer now, so the white, well, they've been scratched because I erase it, but the white now he does is a lot brighter. All this you see here has been masked off and airbrushed. Scratch built the back. This wasn't here. This is a bit of aluminium. Not sure what it is actually. Pipes. I've actually just noticed I've lost the wing mirror. Oh, these weren't in the Scaleauto kit, so I just scratch built those. Oh, and this one is an angle winder, and it's a beautiful car to run. Now, the Slotit, I've only taken it out of the box. I haven't done anything to it, so it's absolutely beautiful. There's differences. Obviously, I got reference pictures from all over the internet, and mine could be a different race than what they've got. Like on the front here, there's no WRT. You can see the white, and their decals, or they're not decals, are they? So much better. That one there, on my one doesn't really stand out. The Audi on my one, you can see that's photo etch, which is really nice. They've got the digital counter thing there. There doesn't seem to be any aerials on here, but it's a beautiful car. I've not seen this before. It must be on some of the races where they've got the red and white here on the spokes. I might have to add that. Spoilers, cool. Is that the same thing I made up? I'm quite happy with mine after seeing that. I might have to drill out the pipes and put a bit of soot in there. This doesn't come with lights, I don't think. Well, I haven't run it, but it looks like you could get lights in there because the lenses are nice. You can see the driver. The motor, nice detail. All these little red arrows. I printed them on, or I got decals for mine as well, but the red and white just didn't turn out that great, but you can still see them. So there's a few little changes, differences. When I take them apart and show you inside, I added a full driver in mine, and I made the net, catch net, safety net, whatever you call it. So my driver comes down to about here. Motor. The Slotit one comes with a spare spoiler, which is pretty cool. And it comes with these, and I have no idea what they are. Maybe I'll find out when I open it up. So here's a quick look for now, and what I'll do, I'll stop there and then have a little play, open it up, because I think front wheels barely turn, so I think they need adjusting. But there's some little Allen keys there, isn't there? But I thought I'd video it first, and it's a beautiful car. Oh, you'll notice one difference. That's completely gloss, whereas mine, all the black is matte. You can see there. And that's just what I copied. Just copied pictures, really. Right, I'll be back.